Clip it. Okay, you don't edit it, please. I want to see myself on YouTube.
What do you mean? You hold the camera then. You hold the camera. Let me just show him something. I want you to see yourself, innit?
Yes.
Yes. So. Okay, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my video. Anyway, I just want to show you guys what is going on here. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So what we are doing today, we are shooting this video with GoPro, you know. So the reason why I'm using GoPro on this video is this is GoPro 10. I'm making this video to let you guys tell me what you think about the kind of video coming out from GoPro. What do you think about it? You know, a lot of people have decided that GoPro is no longer good, you know, when it comes to action camera. But there's only one problem. One thing GoPro is good on it is when the weather is absolutely perfect. If the weather is absolutely very, very good, this is where GoPro play major role, you know. You absolutely love the video that coming out from GoPro because of the weather. So I'm in Nottingham, in the middle of Nottingham Market Square. Today is a little bit busy. Why? It's because of the weather. Anyway, it's on Sunday. The weather is very good. A lot of people have decided to come out and be able to enjoy this weather quite much. So this is what is going on. This is why I don't want to show the video much. I want to share the video of GoPro with this weather. And when it comes to low light, GoPro is not good. When it comes to low light, GoPro is not good. So I just want you guys, who's gonna tell me what do you think about GoPro? This is GoPro 10. You remember you have 11 and you have 12 and you have 13, which have been there for a while. So also you have some shops around here. You know, we used to have a Debenham, which is in my front there, but the shop is completely gone. So if you look around this area, this is the major area. A lot of people spend their time in Nottingham, where a lot of people spend their time in Nottingham. When they come around, you have Primark, which is on my front there. You also have other things, other shops, which is around this area anyway. So a lot of people spend their time trying to be able to do their shopping. How you doing? All right?
Yeah.
Are you guys, where are you guys coming from?
We're just from uni.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you also in uni?
Yes, uni.
You?
Yeah.
Where are you from, really?
Where am I from, really?
Yeah.
I'm from London.
Okay.
Yeah.
You?
Sheffield.
Oh, why you didn't go to the one in Sheffield then?
Because it was shit.
Eh?
It's rubbish.
Why?
Yeah.
Because you live there.
Well,
Because
yeah, I guess.
because you're from there, innit?
Yeah.
If you're not from Sheffield, it won't say.
You have to escape from your family.
You do.
Yeah, I understand that.
You
You
get
can't go to
used to
university
size.
where you're from, innit?
So
it's
you
not good.
blogging?
Yeah, I'm blogging. I'm YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
What's up, guys? What's your channel name?
It's called, I'll show you.
Are we going to be in this next YouTube
Yeah,
video?
you're gonna be on it. So it better you subscribe. Can you hold it? Hold it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me show the sights of Nottingham.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria. Yeah. From Nigeria anyway. So this is channel now. You can take the picture. I want you to subscribe anyway. Yeah, take the picture. So you can subscribe, then you will see the video as well.
So you just do you go around England?
Yeah.
Okay, just in Nottingham now.
Everywhere.
Welcome to Nottingham.
Egypt, Sheffield. I've been in Sheffield several times.
What do you think of Sheffield?
I think, because I'm not from Sheffield, but I think Sheffield is a little bit changing a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, it's getting a lot of new houses, a new apartment have built in Sheffield.
Yeah.
I was in Sheffield something like 2 weeks ago. If you go to my channel, even though I have a video coming up today, I have a video, I think it's about 5 o'clock, the video will come online. You know, it's about Sheffield as well. If you subscribe to my channel, you will see a lot of video on Sheffield.
Yeah.
You know?
Nice to meet you, bro.
All right.
Nice to meet
Make sure
you.
you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe.
Enjoy your time in London.
All right. Okay. All right, guys. You know, so I am just trying to show you a lot of guys. What do you think about GoPro? You know, what do you think about GoPro? GoPro is kind of stuff. This is GoPro 10. What do you think? Tell me what you think. Remember, this GoPro have been there for many years ago. So GoPro is no longer, a lot of people don't even use GoPro anymore. A lot of people blog with action camera, something like DJ action camera. A lot of people as well love using Insta360 because these guys always bring out new cameras almost every day, and GoPro struggle to meet up what these guys are doing, and GoPro still struggle. So why am I in Nottingham Square, Market Square here to be able to shoot this video? Is to be able to show you guys a lot, show you guys a lot because of the weather is quite very good. Because of the weather is quite very good. So let's move to somewhere where as well we'll be able to show you guys what is really going on. I think a place will probably a little bit low light and not low light really, a place which is not, the sun is not in my face much, so we can be able to show you guys what is really going on. I think it's gonna be the best thing. But look, Nottingham Market Square, this place is absolutely buzzing. It's busy today, very busy today, very busy. So let's just go and walk around a little bit. Remember, I was talking about there's something they're probably doing today in Nottingham Catholic Church, that is where I will be going now. Let me find out what is it, what are they doing. So you got the tram coming up right now. How you doing? Good. How you doing? All right?
Good, yeah, how are you?
I'm all right, good. Are you guys on the university as well?
Yes. Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Birmingham.
You?
Cambridge.
Cambridge?
Yeah.
And the guess where?
Cambridge.
Voila. Cambridge, all of you, okay, but you guys are in the university, right?
Yeah, Birmingham.
It's the first year?
No.
Third?
Yeah.
Voila. So how long is it gonna be taking you guys to finish? By next year, innit?
This year, yeah.
Next year you finish by September, innit?
Yes, by September.
All right. So what are you guys reading? Anybody here reading medicine? No. What are you guys doing?
Criminology.
You?
Psychology.
Law. Are you sure?
Yes.
Can you stand the law?
Yes.
Can you defend me?
Yeah, if you need to.
Okay. You?
Software engineering.
Software engineering. Why none of you doing something like, okay, you are doing the software engineering, which is good, and psychology, right? Okay, that's good.
Criminology.
Oh, all of you are doing it very very sound. I think, but you got to watch because AI is coming up, right? So you got to be able to put your game up. AI is coming up, all right?
Yeah.
So I'm a YouTuber anyway. I'm just trying to blog around.
You like the city then?
Where?
You like Nottingham?
It's okay.
Yeah.
You guys don't like Nottingham?
No, Cambridge.
Really?
Cambridge is there. Come to Cambridge one day.
Really?
Yeah, 100%.
I'd say Birmingham, but not really.
Nah, not bad.
Not Birmingham. No. Not some area you won't go in it. All right, you guys take care. All right. So you can tell today is, I think, quite a beautiful day when you have a lot of young people who also like to be on the video. Remember this place here on my front there, we do have like a place you can easily sit down here and have a drink, and somehow it's under renovation anyway. All right, it's under renovation anyway. So most of these places, you can see that most of the shop is shut down already. Nothing is going on here no more. But I love the spirit of the young people. When they see you as a YouTube, what they do, they come up and try to speak to you, and trying to as well subscribe to your channel and give you that opportunity. But remember, this video I'm doing is for you guys to tell me what you think about GoPro 10. I used to gonna buy this 4 years ago or 3 years ago camera, which is no longer, people think it's no longer good anymore anyway. So let's see. I think it still have a lot of things going on along here. Look at this place, you know. It's all right. You have a McDonald's in my front there. So most of these places you can get something like pub, where a lot of people sit down and have a drink as well. You have a lot of fast food companies, most of them along this place anyway. A lot of fast food companies, you know, you have along this side. So let's walk around there anyway. I'm not really showing you guys about Nottingham. I think what I'm doing is for you guys to really tell me what you think about GoPro, you know. Almost of my video is done in Action Camera 5 Pro, you know. So DJI have been the camera who actually makes people more very beautiful. So let's check inside this place, you know. I remember they have a Jamaican place here. They have a barbing salon on my front there, and they also have a salon there, and there's a Jamaican place here. You can buy most of stuff you need, like black seed oil, Irish seed mustard, you know. You can buy most of the things you need. All the whole root medicine, you can get them from this place, you know. So it depends what you do, what you like. You can get anything on this place. They also have kind of African tradition as well, like Jamaican clothes and other things. Also, I think they have also, they do most of them. I think probably they're not open today. So this place, I think they also have something like a pizza here, which is already closed by this time already. I think they're not open now. So it's quite a beautiful place, you know, quite a beautiful place. A lot of people come here to make video or, you know, see what is really going on along this place as well in Nottingham, you know. All right?
Thank you.
Yeah. So that's what they do here. People come here, they spend their time, you know, which is beautiful as well. So the place I wanted to go is up there. I wanted to go up there. That's a Catholic church which is up there, but I'm gonna show you a little bit of this side of Nottingham before I have to go towards the Catholic church. They got a lovely restaurant, most of them along this place. So you also go some also like also restaurant as well, which is also along this way. You can see most of them is open by this time of the day, but if you look around them, there's nobody here. I think what really happened, people are not really doing anything, you know. How you doing, guys? So people are not really because of the weather. Probably a lot of people decided that How you doing?
I'm fine. How are you
Good?
doing?
Yeah, I'm all right. You?
You're from?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Nigeria. Where you guys from? You?
India.
India?
Yeah.
Really? Which part of India?
New Delhi.
Oh, New Delhi. It's the capital, isn't it?
Yeah. You been to India?
No, I have not been to India. But I know, I see some of my friends have been to India. So
That's a very good place. You can.
where is the best place to go to India?
New Delhi. The best.
Are you sure?
Yeah. For the street food, for the culture, you can visit Delhi.
But what is the next place to go after
Bombay.
New Delhi? Bombay.
Yeah.
But Bombay is too crowded.
Yeah, too crowded, so you can visit Manali,
Manali?
Kashmir,
Okay.
and Rajasthan is very good, and it's so vast. You
All right.
you need at least 1 month to visit all
One
the places.
month?
Yeah.
Not 5 days.
No, you can visit some places in 5 days, but not much.
Not much. All right. That's good. Are you guys in the university?
Yeah.
Okay. What you guys study?
MSc Business Analytics.
You?
Same.
The same.
Yeah.
And
We
you?
are classmates.
Okay. So how long you got to stay in UK before finishing?
1 year.
1 year.
Oh, you got 1 year to stay more.
No,
No,
have
we
2
get
years.
4 months. 4 months extra,
Okay.
and then we can apply for a post-study work visa.
All right. Oh, I wish you guys good luck.
So
Anyway.
you've been posting this on YouTube.
Yeah.
What channel?
Oh, I'll show
I will
you
be
guys.
seeing
I would like to.
You don't clip it, okay? You don't edit it, please. I want to see myself on YouTube.
What do you mean? You hold the camera then. You hold the camera. Let me just show him something. I want you to see yourself, innit?
Yes.
Yes. So if you have any message, you can be able to tell them this is the message you want. You can take a picture of the channel there.
Okay, travel with shots.
Yeah, travel with chat. Take the picture, you can subscribe.
Okay, I'll take. Yeah, I'll subscribe it later.
Yeah, that's what I'm
So
saying.
message for the day: talk more, think less, be kind, be polite, and explore the culture everywhere.
So
and
let me
you know-
ask this question. Now you are living in England, all right?
Yeah.
How long you live here now?
It's been like 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's not a long time.
No.
So and you got more 3 years to go.
Yeah.
So can you tell me a little bit different between here and India?
People are not so generous here.
Yeah.
They don't like to talk.
Much?
The Gen Z generation.
Gen Z
the old
generation.
people are here good.
Is the old people here, are they different from the old people in...
No, that's like the same.
The same.
In India, we say namaste to everyone.
Yeah, namaste, yeah.
Namaste.
Yeah.
And here, that's good. Like the old people are very good. They're very polite, and they're
But the
very,
young
very-
people here...
No,
No.
like pissed off. Like
Yeah,
they're
everybody's
not interested in
everybody's
talking.
on their own.
Yeah.
So it's not like a tradition in India.
Uh-huh.
In India, you could walk to any young people in India. They will talk to you.
Yeah.
Naturally, you know what I mean? My friend, how are you? It's in India. This is how it is in
Yeah.
India. But it's not the same
No.
way. No, it's same here. People just pass you on the street
Yeah,
and
not
they
much.
ignore you.
Yeah, but they're like there's a lot of thank you and sorry there.
Okay.
If they just surpass you, they'll say sorry. I'm
Sorry,
running,
yeah.
I'm running late or so.
Okay.
I have a bus or
All right.
just like this.
That's
And,
like-
they'll say a thank you and gate for them.
Yeah.
So they are
A
kind
little bit is soft anyway. I think the problem is that if you're coming from different type of culture, and when you're back in England, you find it a little bit funny. It takes some time before you get used to it. You know what I mean? But I'm telling you the truth. In 3 years, you also be like them.
Okay.
All
It
right.
was nice meeting you.
All right,
guys.
take
Thank you
care.
so
All right,
much.
all right, take care.
Okay. See
All
you.
right.
You have a nice day.
All right. Okay, guys. So it's quite beautiful anyway. When you meet different type of people and they tell you different type of spirit. This video, I'm not using wireless mic on this video. I'm not using wireless mic. I just want you guys to tell me what you think about the kind of voice coming out from this video, and what you guys think about the voice coming out from this video, because I'm not using wireless mic. So I am really surprised that there's a lot of construction which was going on in my front. You see my front there? That place was a lot of construction going on in my place, but somehow, and the construction looks like it's finished, but remember, this is Nottingham here. So this construction started quite early last year. They were doing a lot of job trying to be able to make this place look a little bit better.